What's going on, guys? So we're back again on the vlog. So we're in Portmore today in Jamaica, guys, and today myself and Dorothy we're heading to MegaMart to check it out. So MegaMart is just basically similar to like Walmart in the States, but it's like a Jamaican version. So we're gonna bring you guys with us and show you what it's like at MegaMart, and we're also gonna show you one of Jamaica's more traditional and most popular patty companies, Tastees. So look out for that as well, guys. We'll bring you all with us. Let's see what's up. Alright guys, so we're heading in the line for Tastees right now. Gonna let Dorothy try her first Tastees patty. All the seating area is closed off because of COVID. Alright guys, check out Dorothy's fit today. What do you think? Alright guys, so this is what we paid, $1,410. We got 2 beef, 2 cheese, 2 cocoa bread and a drink. Yeah, you could get a box of 12 frozen or fresh. So if it's frozen, then you can heat it up. Thank you. Got our patties here, guys, and our cocoa bread. So that's it. We're gonna go check out these patties and see what's up. Where's that? So this Tastees also has a drive-through, guys. What did you say?
I said it's so soft. It tastes like there's butter in it.
In the patty? Oh, the cocoa bread. Okay.
I don't know which one this is. Could be beef, could be cheese. I'm gonna burn myself if I bite into this right now though, so.
Yep, you might want to let that cool down. You're excited, eh? Alright guys, so we're gonna try Tastees. Dorothy's actually trying it for the first time. We had juicy beef the other day and it was alright. But Tastees is the top of the line here in Jamaica, so we got like a patty and a cocoa bread. This is the cocoa bread right here, twice the size of the one they sell in Canada.
First bite is good and I haven't even gotten to the part of the meat yet.
Yeah, these patties are hot, guys. So this is the size of a Tastees patty. And this is like about 1.5 times the size of the ones they sell us in Canada as well. Yeah, these cocoa breads are legit. Look at this. So what we usually do here in Jamaica, guys, we open the cocoa bread like this and then we just put the patty in and then close it like this and make like a patty sandwich. And this stuff is filling.
Yeah, I ain't gonna do that. I'm just gonna rush in my cocoa bread and eat it with both.
We also got drinks too, guys. So we got Tropicana Orangeade, which I love since I used to go to school here. And we also got D&G Pineapple. Guys, check out the beef inside the crust. And the crust is so flaky. This is definitely, I'm not even waiting till I end this video. This is better than juicy by far. Alright guys, so we just had Tastees. This is Dorothy's first time, so we're gonna see what Dorothy thinks. Dorothy.
Those patties were so good. Best patties I've ever had, hands down.
Really?
Hands down. I mean, where else to get patties than Jamaica, right? And they were really good.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed them.
Yeah, guys, like Tastees is definitely like a mile ahead of juicy beef, so the competition is not even close. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. So we're heading to MegaMart now, and we'll show you guys MegaMart, and we'll see what's up. So let's go.
See you there.
So we're just arriving at MegaMart. We're just parking, and we'll go inside, head inside, and see what's up, guys. Stay tuned. This is the type of uniforms I used to wear, khaki suits. So yeah guys, MegaMart is pretty much a giant supermarket slash general merchandise store here in Jamaica. And we got, I think they have 3 locations, one in Kingston, one in Mandeville, and this one here in Portmore. So yeah, we're actually here because we want to grab their muffins. They're really good, so gonna have Dorothy try them. And this is Dorothy's second time in Jamaica, guys. Last time we went to Duns River and we checked out a lot of stuff on the north coast. This time we're here in Kingston and Portmore on the south coast. Just heading to the bakery section. Got Suppligen. It's a popular drink that I used to drink when I was younger. And this is another popular drink mix. It's like a milky flavored milk powder mix called Lasco. And then we have my favorite soda of all time, grapefruit soda called Tink. This is what we came for, guys. MegaMart banana nut and double chocolate muffins. Got all the Maltas and Red Stripe here. We got the Red Stripe Lemon Paradise and then the Red Stripe Watermelon. Guys, check out the difference in price between oxtail and turkey neck. So we eat both in Jamaica. Turkey neck is lesser known, but the oxtail is like 6 times as much. $5.73 compared to $3,369. Alright guys, so that's it. We just got our stuff at MegaMart, as you can see here, and we're just heading back home. So that's MegaMart guys, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.